Hello, my name is Maria Fernandez and I am a creative community herbalist. And in today's video, I would love to share with you how easy and simple it is to make your own elderberry tincture. The ingredients that you will be needing to create your own elderberry tincture is a pound of elderberry, which is known as Sambucus nigra. You need 100 proof vodka. You want to make sure it's 50% alcohol and 50% water. So that's why it's important that it's 100 proof. If you have 40% vodka, that's fine. I just like things to be very simple and easy. I don't want to do any math, and I want the reverse osmosis process to be really balanced, so that's why I prefer to use the 100 proof vodka. I also use a half-gallon mason jar, and I have this zipper so it's easier to pour the ingredients into it. So I'm using Elderberries Organic Sambucus Nigra from the Frontier Company. I am not affiliated with them. I really love their products. You could always find a local herbalist or other companies that also have the same products. I know you could do this. This is great. If you're a homeschool mom, this is a great fun activity to do with your own kids. You want to fill it all the way to the top, and you want to cover it with wax paper, because the metal sometimes get corroded with alcohol and it gets like black. So you want to make sure you close it off. Give it a shake once every day for at least a week. Make sure you label your tincture with the date and the name of the tincture that you have created. This is the beautiful elderberry tincture, which will be ready in 6 weeks. However, you could let it steep for another year or so it could become more potent. Shake it once a day for a whole week, and make sure you keep it in a dark cupboard that it's, between 60 and 70 temperature. And voila! It has been a pleasure to show you how simple and easy it is to create elderberry tincture. My wish is that you also try it for yourself, so that you could be empowered and be the healer of yourself, your family, and your community. Give elderberry a try. It's wonderful, and there's many different recipes that you could explore with elderberry. I like simple. Keep it simple. There's other recipes that contain more ingredients and more doing. You saw this. Pour, label it, put it away. So the hardest part is waiting for it to be ready. So you have to wait 6 weeks, which is fine. Waiting teaches us to be patient, right? And good medicine always takes time. Another tip, if you're creating your own medicine, you could be having candles on and music, and just like really do alchemical energy by just like really speaking to the medicine and having your intentions when you're making it, like filling it with love and all the good energy that you can provide to it. And remember to always shake it once a day for at least 1 week. And in 6 weeks, you will have beautiful medicine. And what you do is you strain it and put it in a little bottle, drop-off bottle, and then use it as you go. So I like to keep the berries in for a year, so I won't get rid of the berries until the end, because it becomes more potent, and it's just, it's so beautiful. I hope you like, share, and subscribe this video if you can. And please let me know in the comments, how do you like it, like after you've done it? Like, I want to hear from you. I love elderberry, seriously. It's one of my home staples, and I have like 4 ounces left, so I am preparing another batch because this comes very handy during cold and flu season. So may you have a beautiful, blissful, and blessed day. Thank you for watching.